McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello, everyone. Hello, this is Nanama McBrown, and I'm bringing you McBrown's Kitchen. No, I just saw Ediana Ped, Ediana Pedampa, Nanama McBrown, and ya said the shebio. Made me kitchen, a coba was here, me kitchen, I'm a tinamwa, me took over biano, and then me side a pure film. Nene me tu kano sha mabakumase me bakumase no me nimi nua be ma bi ene ba be no aduane monim se McBrown's Kitchen ye emu pa ye de ye ka yinam ne se ye de ye Ghana nuane be chin ama enemremum emofra na ye gas na se mrante ya yesi so ye nim aduane no ano ye nya kwa antena fia ye timi show TV so me suaye ye motive ba ne say ye nyina ye be hu aduane ye na ye proud of ye aduane enu ti ne de ye kai e chini ye de abepie kumase McBrown's Kitchen aduane pa ede me pa cho ye friend me na McBrown ana Empress ana Mrs Mensa me and I'm the kitchen show e bro enti bomodia na hwe esi e ma me wate abusuafo still McBrown's Kitchen. My sponsors in here. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. And a royal aroma rice. Royal aroma rice. In here. And more anuncio de. The papa royal family na royal aroma rice. Aye. And sana 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. Tasty Tom pasta. And Tasty Tom tomato mix. Me pacho wediane ayebe ye here spices. Spices are here ye Minazen food spices. Minazen food spices. And your 4 flavors, 4 seasoning flavors. Chicken, beef, fish and jollof. Na ye ba be ye jollof yi de jollof be tuatua. Maka ndiane din but this am twa no ba ansa na maka me guest no. But na McBrown na me wan ye fair. Me boy, me wife papa me duku ne ofede a ene me ana me boy na emom atade no enye me ana me pam ye we kumase ya jiwa wa asafo jiwa ne ta pam mentade mame me be kumase de mentanya ne ho ono a ma fa bia man to kumase ono na affect me jiwa nya me show hwe jiwa 0244 244 2775 0244 442775 obe pam atade bi ama kama ansana menim still in Kumasi into a touch makeup artistry now still in Kumasi ye bedi didia His Majesty Catering Service and na ebio La Palm Royal Beach Hotel and dia yen crime ye konkran e ho ne ye home and na apple pie publicity onyame nhyiramo say mode Nanama McBrown me McBrown's Kitchen mode ye billboard no atese nkran me sramo aka Kumasi o momfa Kumasi so de mra me pam chopi McBrown's Kitchen aduane pede mami sima na me twa me nsesi a me ngin krato me ba pe ye de aduane no ano e hyehye so.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy. Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let's say anu ntresa ye ntimi nhwe bi. High sense TV wo hoy. Ye ba hwe na ya hwe no clear. 8th April, I copy World Cup na wie. High Sense TV bia, size bia. Ya titis wa mamu say. Eno na waka no. Say, who? High Sense dear, wo dia asemo. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Borrow High Sense showroom bia. TV na ya titis no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 dear. What show High Sense TV so therefore. And TV I will tell you about 5 years warranty dear. High Sense near the bio. Near the suchia. High Sense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say Daddy na mami go don't go and go focus to baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and no na yes I trick in your we will chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. Baby, as I would menazen food spices. What do you wear here? Say what to and so we will feel will be a baby do it and na school feeding for ye no we are on my feeling. Menazen will be any hobbies my customers.
Obia de baby.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pebia ye ma mebusua no me pe no bebre enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix enya aduane no de keke o enuane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu when you ne chi die bio na me hwehwe
More jollof.
Emra
so say we super use and rich tasty tom tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu tasty tom emediane yede eyema also McBrown's kitchen aduane pede eneso ye ba be no aduane eno enti ne friend kitchen no ye no aduane ye ndi nkomo keke ye no aduane se de be ya wo so besua bibia film eno ti na also waja de wo ye ho ane uti TV hoyi ane nene ye ba be jollof inti jollof na ye be ye ne de ye ntimi nye abra royal aroma rice ye ntimi nye abra enka ho inti ene ye the royal aroma rice ye ba be jollof ye de 90 omega 3 sunflower e be ye jollof ansa na tasty tom tasty tom tomato mix no so ye de ba baby na minas and so de must e betuatua na high sense so a blending here man no ano enti ye fa ni je enhia menua ba ma bia me ne no ana ye simi adwuma ye friend brother because ohu ye nyina na so ohu me say ni nua ba me sister e twotwo mutwo ankasa enti say brother wa ha don't mind the body mind the shape this is Wayoosi but their friend Wayoosi say your friend is saying minim ni din o ana wonim okay baby son enti emfa ni je hia brother aka wayo brother me no brother na me say they will surprise me kura wo yes o mo anyu say na nyum na mudi
me free nyum na me ba movie mo
from music to movie yeah. And you are reversing back to movie
and I'm me besa manfo mu say me free ho na me pie
enya fe na wo be sha ase na me pie na o pie bai na wo yenwom adwuma
na me ne papa bi friend Lord Kenya
enenam you be this am common later pa
mate
brother
nananie
na di no wana de ma brother no
na brother no me fa ne sinemu san say obi aye menua obi aye musista timshe obi abroda
no sure ba kora eye brother ushia be ma eye brother akokra brother eno wayo da sepa na wo McBrown's kitchen say
and in fact ajimisem the entire make us ajimisem say enam sini adwumenti atutu kwan pi
sanity
American fans say fear na metimu kwa na ntisi kai yes me money pani di na egu na mu ase very beautiful it's beyond my standard. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Oh,
so
yeah.
today, are we speaking English on the show?
Oh, we can do the both.
We can do the both.
Yeah.
And no, brother.
Why?
Why is that?
Why you are
The
crying?
English is shock me.
Okay. Don't
So
worry.
today we'll do the both.
Both.
As we are cooking.
Yeah, I will mingle it.
You mingle the Chi and the English.
Tringlish.
Brother,
That's Tringlish.
that's English.
Yeah.
Brother,
Yeah.
now before the cooking, let's wash
Our hands so that we will clean, right?
So that we do what?
We will clean ourselves. Just say,
Oh, right. Me, there me person me who know. Me woman abro so. Brother.
Yeah.
Brother, when you can't do odiane a wo be ya tuja. Say wo be ya jollof. They say jollof yi eniama be ne de be ya ne asese we ni.
Nana, jollof no there. Yen waste much time here.
Yes.
You be try yen nam no ne you be steam ho kakra. So what you say say nam na hunsu and you de be noa. Aye jollof no.
Nam na
Hunsu sa.
de be no
Jollof no.
Wow, inti ya we nam.
Me pacha yo nam twinam ye cow meat. Cow meat. And we have our beef here.
Our beans here. Okay.
Onion, carrot, tomato, green pepper, garlic, ginger, and then a blue. And we have a brew here.
We have a bro here.
Yeah.
A bro is here.
Yeah.
And then green beans.
Yeah.
And so and then tasty tom.
Wow.
So be jollof there.
One you should be in here.
And nothing no friend more jollof.
Jollof.
Oh yeah, a chen krofasa Hindu. It is a Holy Ghost. A dear any be crab account. Money more.
And you better can't fire namona. Ya prepare say be.
Na so be more into no royal aroma.
And also I don't know how then no dey yan kana sem kra. Aroma
and
na
the spices so the minazen wa ha. Into no and me hu tuna so wa ha.
Yeah, tuna.
Tuna wa ha.
And I know ma no na ba fam kakra. Tuna. But ha yeah.
And tuna.
Yeah, tuna. Tina na yam fire nam no na yen sati.
Yes, start with brother.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Brother.
So
say
in the beginning, we take the meat first.
in the beginning,
Yeah.
we take the meat first. Okay.
Yeah.
So the meat is going on fire
Yeah.
in the beginning.
In the beginning.
Okay. But they try.
Ana aduane ya ade bia anu na de enkwan breyen enu nso sa de owo breyen enti wo ye aduane so make sure say baby wo ye no that place is quite neat.
That place is
quite neat. Yeah.
Yes.
So I really like your kitchen because it's very
Hey, Nanama.
yeah.
Brother.
That's me.
Brother, you are cutting your beef.
Yeah, beef, yeah. So that it will be like as one and the same to me, I can say.
Go and listen to me.
Also, you know, like this is normal meat so that everybody can, chew it or eat it.
Eat it.
Yeah. What's American?
There, we
Nana, after we finish this right now, we will sample to.
After we finish the cutting, we will sample to the Chelsea.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm coming to help you. So we sample them.
I hope my ginger and my garlic, everything is ready right now, right?
Yes, everything is ready for you.
Okay.
So, brother,
Okay.
We are sampling the meat from the inside.
Yeah.
Hey, and I don't know you. Let's say the end of the gum.
Yeah.
Okay. Baby, I will come.
Yeah, everything will go inside here.
Yes. Yeah, but no one am no answer. You come to cook them.
Yeah. And I cannot get some onion, to cut in pieces so that it will steam this.
Jay. Miss Rowe. And then another end country. Wow.
No.
You say you mingle.
I will mingle, the Tringlish.
Yes,
Yeah.
you mingle the both.
Yeah. No. Today is today.
Today is today.
Yeah.
So the onion is steaming the meat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can I get some small salt here
Yes.
so that it can, push inside the meat?
What the inchini beguna say?
It can push inside the meat.
It can push inside the meat.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
then, before, let me go here first.
okay.
I'm talking about the spices.
The spices.
So that it can, season the meat so that we can feel the taste.
Yes.
So which one do you prefer?
For meat, we will take the beef.
Beef. Okay, that's
Yes.
good. That's good.
The beef. This one is not difficult to open.
Okay.
You only open it.
So it's flexible.
Very flexible. Wow.
Then you did like this. Put your hands, pa. Then that's everything. Okay.
So now we will add some water.
Some water and some small, what do you call it? Salt. Salt is not good for our body.
Yes.
When it comes to kidney, salt is not really good for our body. Yeah. So you use some small
amount
so that you can get a taste.
Okay.
Can I get some small garlic?
Yes. Your garlic is here.
Yeah. Every day I eat garlic before I take my food or breakfast.
So.
Yeah. I blended it with a lime.
Okay. Before
I take a breakfast so that it will work.
Before you take a breakfast.
The garlic will wash the waste thing that I ate yesterday. Well, let me take some small ginger. Now, can you please open it for me? Yeah.
Yeah. Inti mpacha ya no enam no eno ne brofo bebre no. Say. Ye kana brofo pi ni nyina ye ka. So now that your meat is on fire, your beef is on fire, what's next?
I will start preparing my stew.
Cry there na me frem mo be na mo be dele me sa. So shuri.
And I will know.
All right. So fire ready and then
Now, oil is good, but too much of it is bad. It's really bad.
But thank God this is omega-3.
Yeah. So it will protect our heart.
Yes.
And our body instance, everything. Yeah. Yeah. And I'm finished.
You're finished.
And after that, I want you to blend the what do you call it? The amicos.
You ever blend it? The amicos
and the onion.
Yeah. English competition. So we are blending the amicos.
I hope we have washed it.
We washed everything
already.
We washed our hands too.
Yeah.
So we can touch.
Yeah.
I mean, we can use them.
Yeah.
Because it's been washed.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are blending
the onion and the amicos so that we get a good taste.
You get a good taste.
Yeah.
It's the same blend.
Yes. Start blending. Yeah.
Maybe I want to from Brofo me what?
I want the smooth one.
Yes. It's going.
Yeah.
It's blending.
Yeah.
This is high sense blender.
Wow.
You see this in America?
No.
Yes. This is specially made for McBrown's kitchen.
Yeah. High speed.
It's okay?
Oh, it's okay. Oh, no. It's okay. Wow.
Oh, with you grab. So this is your blended.
So
onion
we will pour these ingredients into this oil fire.
Hold on, the fire is
so I know. So we do it like small.
But I do you say you cheers too, no?
Yeah. So I'll start cutting this tomato.
It will be. You will blend this one too.
Nah.
You do what?
You want to blend it?
I don't mind whatever you do.
Then let's blend it.
Okay. Into your blend.
Yeah, you blend the tomato with
the green pepper.
nah. And now this is the seed of the tomato.
Okay.
So
and since we are going to blend, we can blend it.
We can blend it all. But I'm telling we put onion in our hand.
Yes.
So if you want to wash it away, you can use some small
okay. Next.
Like to wash
your hand
so that it will scent the journey of.
Yeah. Brother, say who to check Jane na Jones be a tomato na year about we no. Na efa eye ni say fa won sam eye ni bibia it was scent the
journey of
the journey of
ever
pam journey na from sir. Yo brother. So we are going to blend your tomatoes now.
Yeah.
And then what next? I mean, the stew is on fire. The meat is cooking.
Let's finish blending this, and then after that, this thing
the tuna will go inside.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, brother. Me pacho who you school here?
Anna, we know division now.
Who you want?
Division.
In
fact, I'm called division. I'm called Kings International. So
me pacho I can't division. Munim school, school be wo Kumasi.
Pacho crew from
yeah. Division no yeah JSS time one now.
Pacho JHS time.
JHS time.
Yeah.
Oh okay. Next year ben no. JHS about 90 something no.
Yeah. I say JHS. I say about
JSS no. About 19
it's 94 there was JHS.
There be about 92 or 1990.
Okay, then I can't remember that the date it came.
Yes, JHS by actually.
Nana, please, can you blend this so that when this finish, do that with your torso, Nana, blend that for me.
Me blending toast.
Yeah.
And so that when this finish, your toy,
yeah.
And toast need to me first sugar cream.
Okay.
You need a stew, brother.
No.
That maybe. Oh, yeah, tuna no cost you no. Wow, brother, we need a hoe. Wow. Yay, brother.
Yeah. When we are doing this, we call it mialismonio.
Mialismonio. That means
mialismonio. Yeah.
Tuna no egum.
Yeah.
Mialismonio. Brother, now can we be say what the obent means is it?
David na. Me for say me ko jare. Oh, just say me kondo bia no. I feel like doing it.
And you can cook it yourself. So you don't need but and you are not going to know him. And you are not going to know him.
I say who did you we are did you do? Yeah, and so we are.
And so we are. Brother, where have you home?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow, I'm fan chef food. Wow, brother, and sister say my blended tomato navy.
Yeah.
Whoa. Still ni so, and I'm ni so. Yeah, then. What next?
We will use some small garlic.
Okay. And this is your
thank you.
Spoon.
Yeah.
It's here the garlic. Yes, stew no.
Yeah.
Garlic
is good for our body.
It's good for the heart. It's good for the body.
Yeah.
So no biano pebia.
Yeah.
Na ginger.
Also, when you know what you made in Santi, and of course, one is Sinjano Suche. Now, one in free more. Ginger Sukakra. So I just said, when you're and Tinakra memoir, when you taste now open.
They say, we are near mammy and patron. At the same time, I said the big good number.
Yeah.
No.
Then you mingle it together. You
stir it. Okay. Yes, stir in the camera.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, your Jollof, you better do. come
It will be superb. Yeah.
It will be superb.
Superb. Yeah.
Wow.
Nana, you know what?
I don't know.
We'll use our
tasty talk.
Yeah, man.
More jollof.
It's now his turn.
Tasty talk.
Yeah.
More jollof.
More jollof.
Yeah.
So you put it inside this the stew.
The stew. Yeah, funny na nebejabi. Depending on your
yeah. Let's take all.
We should take all.
Yeah.
Hey, more jollof.
Oh yeah. We want the jollof to be rich.
To be rich.
Yeah.
Good. Well, so now you are a musician.
Yeah.
Like you're saying, you started with Lord Kenya.
Yep.
What were you doing with Lord Kenya? Were you rapping or were you writing a song for him?
Yeah. When I started with Lord Kenya, it's one of the dancers.
You were what?
One of his dancers.
Lord Kenya?
Yeah.
I don't know how short dancers are now.
No. No, the teacher say, I'm fellow Kenya Sempa.
Oh, okay.
And maybe I'm a art, no. I was songwriter. Writer, yeah.
Okay.
Or picture making. Make me do picture, no draw the way you look.
Sir.
Yeah. That was my profession.
That was your profession.
Yeah. Nana, please, can you lower the fire?
Lowered it, yes.
Yeah.
Remember all your
Kakrabi. And Lokenya was around.
Okay.
Around my school. That's good.
Because I say, also,
yeah.
Because for now be a winning so be you supposed to talk auntie. I don't know. All right, yeah, so you were songwriter. That means you draw.
Na me draw.
The paint draw.
Down hono.
Down saloon verse no.
Yeah.
And okay. Into what you draw me.
Nana, I can do it better.
Renfi.
Nah.
Wow.
Yeah. Iti na de chense na Kenyan so satam. Yes, enyom sika card ni sika ba ni ade.
Yeah.
Iti yo boko show so aye na ye poster.
Iti ma ube movement bi ama ya na say.
Oh.
Enyini ato.
Do we shows bi aye na ye poster man de ko tale. Satam so na o chiam kwa me so ne. Chiam Kofi.
Okay.
Now mo so e wo system ni. Iti de ma me be Kenya sem na say all around tech area ho.
Okay.
National school ni wo. Enti me yesa no. Papa yi o madam fo. Nti ada na mini na chi na. Na me wiase so na de me kan se me be se wiase nyina ehu me.
Okay.
Me mama ni television station. Me papa ni radio station na me kwan be na me fa so.
Yes.
Enti me yesa me di Kenya chi. Na me fa ho ne Kenya yeso a bounce as a good stage na chi. I will penetrate.
Bouncing crowd.
I will penetrate. Nana, when na me jina say ni so makwaje maika. The rap ni bi na meto.
Yeah, sembe.
Edi be yasa Any boy open masam dia o. Ado na me ntwini no na me ne no enante. Edi awards night a Kenya. Sometimes some parents no say mo school mu.
E na wudi Kenya chi. Na misua na nyum na to ma fe o to first stanza second stanza no me na me rap ma no. Nti ube kai Kenya nyum bi.
Oh,
ubetumi ato one line bi ama me.
Enkan ni wachi asuo wo si agro de de minya bia kama ye hwe minya wa ye yemsuo enya han bia na yedro o mama obi wo sikadan ma wontimi ni timu ni so deriko faso wonfa kwampa na ban de ba ebedwiri wo de bo so na ehuri sika kasa sika wotumi sika ya ade ye open wanya bia to wase enkobo na baye.
Oh, brother.
No.
Brother,
it's not to say me papa na sem.
Ampa de why you declare who nyansa obeka Kenya asem. Na Kenya dey suffer. Say all rap na rap no dey suffer.
Ana meko the time na me afren. Ogusu friend ba.
O friend ba.
Yeah.
Nti na me afro de abekwa akwa Kenya no. To no de time aso. Onye say de o share rap ase a uhun no a wo ba ye no. Enche. Yeah. Brother. Brother, and they say, Ye twitwa ye green pepper.
Na mpacho I say beans ne so na say ye ho adwuma. Ahanti bua me na ye ntwitwa me se de be ya. Eno so betimi akọ weni.
Eno so be kobi.
Yeah.
Okay. Nti ye beans ne ho adwuma.
Yeah.
Say da. Bin amedi bi o nti no me so mo.
Na woni ha ukra.
Pacho me ntwitwa na kase ananketo
Ah, twitwa na kase kakra ma me.
Ntwitwa na kase.
No fi se wapa no atwa mu 3.
Enwa me ntwa mu 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey brother.
Na.
Adwuma yi de. America yi de.
Aboa mi o.
Kobi. Aboa. America. Asam timi kotna ho. Enko mabio. Kotna ho.
Ana ko no ho bi se enwa dire ni o.
Me.
Uko aso ba.
Me de akwanto de me bo.
Antini uko no ba na ayefe so ho.
Me de me pese. Me kwa na me kosra mo na ba. Me pasa me kotna brochire de mo. Edin anya me de ama me Ghana yi. Na me kwa brochire. De bi me besra mo. Brother me twitwa wie.
Antino.
Eno so be kom.
E be kom sanete.
Okay.
E be sesa na ye de kokum.
Okay. Oh brother dear. Oh. Jennifer.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey,
Ana mpacho tomato no I was say yeah ade.
share camera fino. Say dia na nyame na meye nti no. Ya wo be kana
Let's
meye.
add our tomato.
It na ya blend no. Ya de
Also when kakra bi so
because
taste no.
tasty tom wo ho.
Yeah. I don't know I adwuma ni I say. Also di fie de kakra.
Also the fear de kakra bi. Eso no so. Yo. You say brother. Ye hwemu a wa wie waduane. Aka with green pepper.
Yeah.
Any with sweet corn.
Yeah.
We bro no. Enu nie. Ena emo odi begum.
They
Say
say
what be man spices bi ana.
spices there. Any sunsa. And I hope say the kakra bi so wona. I don't have a problem.
Yeah jollof there man. Minazen jollof back.
Na
jollof.
Yeah, found one.
Ntimi nkonya minazen jollof.
We so no. O mine easy go. Just unti ana.
Yeah friend.
Easy go. And I tell you
now. You are flexible.
Yeah.
And I easier go. Flexible and easier go. Good.
Always see amount some different
Taste.
Taste.
You taste, you know. Taste.
Yeah, different taste.
It tastes so good.
Yeah.
Wow. Say yeah, kai who was jollof mu dia. Na kai royal aroma rice.
Yeah.
They buy jollof.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Brother, o mo no dia.
I think it's okay.
Said Enyo nkwa na abedi o.
I want a squad bua.
Enyo nkwa na abedi.
Wow.
Brother. Inti ye mo no. Royal aroma rice. Eno ni we fin bi anim.
Ya bibia dada.
Fin bi anim.
Nana, you know something?
I don't know unless you tell me.
We will damage the rice into
the stew. We will.
Yes. Damage it. Nana, do it.
Edio, when me pebro.
Damage it.
Inti royal aroma rice no.
Damage it.
Ko emu ni mo.
Yeah.
Ebe chance so dey bebo ebe no wan come. Wow. I have done my part.
Okay.
Inti akawo.
Yeah.
Be come papa.
Yeah.
Amui na ka yemi onu penso dey akwa ndie. Enya yemi.
Dabi.
Enya.
Say be obehu say na say waro say be enye jimi nko no gini no sinimu.
Ena nyom kwa so no.
Aha.
Na mom onim de oye. Brother fancy onu mu.
Me patwana.
So say
ye do no kakra so be wono. Aha.
Ti me ma we kakra. Na ye nam no ye betumi asoa.
Me patwana ye nsue ye nam no.
Ye nsue ye
patwana.
Ye sue ni abechi ho.
Ni abechi. Na ye nya nice taste no.
Ene brother de be ni say. Ye be yi nam no mo mai den. Egu ha.
Okay.
Ye egu ha na ese. E di nsuo no aka ho. Nti me boa.
Yeah, boa me. I oh,
Sheme kakra.
and no chese wo hormones bi wo mu a eye adwuma. So obi ho no boso ade mu se gutan sa.
On TV
is dead.
That hormones is dead.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Brother, what nam ni?
Yeah.
Nti me be soja na ma.
So mama.
Na te se wa be che wo nam no.
Yeah.
Come.
That's good.
Hey, brother.
But it's one as a who walk a cran.
Good. See,
So then add it.
I should
Add it.
transport it
Yes.
here.
Combine it. Yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah. And nam no nsuo no.
Yeah.
Ai season here no. Eno na ye de agu emu ni mu.
Yeah.
Iti brother abeka won china hwe. Na afei wonam no so ye bechi.
Yeah.
Ni asoja no. Na ya che mo. Ya che nam no.
Ya che nam no na bia.
Ya chi ya time be na be call jollof man na say separate.
Ya chi wi a obetimi de kakra awura jollof nim. Na obetimi so achi bi so bi so.
You open bia.
Yeah, obetimi aye no.
And your brother, you be call commercial break here ba. And I didn't chini begum.
And I prefer to.
Perfect. Okay, set the sauce.
Yeah.
In the beef.
Perfect.
In the meat, me tasty bien.
What do you saw?
What I saw is okay.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I mean,
Me kono so akomo.
yeah, bekata so.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ye bekata so.
Yeah.
Na ya chi ye beef.
Yes.
Ye the 90 omega-3 sunflower oil.
Achi.
E be chi ne kama.
Kama.
Ye jollof video because of ye mono royal aroma rice intino. Enche jaso. Tasty tom so be man 2. Aye fefef aye de. Mi nazin ebe Kenya no. Ama teche maso aye de. Me pa ocho. Ye try who see ya ba. Ye be brother na wo chi wo nam.
Na me chi nam no.
Na say jollof no so be be ya no.
Nana.
Ma esima ba ko.
And I'm better at home.
Brother, why body? Any.
That's good.
No. You try one about to see ya. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede.
Darling, plain, I'll check it.
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy. Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let us here. Anu ntrese ye ntimi nhwe bi. High sense TV wo we. Ye ba hwe na ya hwe no clear.
8th April, Ekopim World Cup na wiye.
High sense TV bia, size bia. Ya tete so ama wo say. Enu na waka no. Say, high sense dia, wo dia asemo. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Borrow high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 there. What show high sense TV so therefore? And then TV I what am 5 years warranty there. High sense near the bio. Let that suit High sense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say na dia na mami go don kwadu ani krofo gusu bebrebe yi. Aya me na zen. Aya food spices. And no na yes atwek ni nyina ma. We wo hwa aya chicken flavor. Me na zen fish flavor. Me na zen jollof flavor. Lion nutmeg powder. Aba bia sa wood me na zen food spices. Wo de wadu ani a. Sa wo to ade sa wo ye aduane wo fie wo bia bebe di aduane. Adwen sa. Na school feeding for ye nkwala ebe di. No we are on my filia. you feeling? Man, and Zen. Will be any hobbies, my customers. What
Obia pade pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia yema mebusua no me pe no bebre. Enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi dear biona mehwehwe.
More jollof.
More
so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, mediane yede, yema also. McBrown's kitchen, ediane pede. We number person, me toma wa yo say. Sa me kasa McBrown's kitchen, ediane pede no. Yaba kan brofo say, say na mo amunim say, ya de brofo na no ediane tin. Mama man, brother. McBrown's kitchen.
Great food is good. Oh, say great food is good.
Great food
is good.
McBrown's kitchen.
Great food is good.
Hey, mama.
Yeah, what's
yeah? I'm the baby I see. And I brought for the unworthy and Yami and Mamupa and Anya tasty tom. Nice, you are nice. I royal aroma riser. Cabro with there. But I am not know a bed.
Oh, come on, yes, a bed.
A bed. McBrown's kitchen.
Great food is good. Yeah.
And yeah, it's tasty.
No, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
All right, why you?
Yeah.
Me what treasure box view I see. Treasure box.
Should I step down?
Yes.
Okay, as usual, right?
As usual. Me what treasure box view I.
Okay.
Here a day we more. A day kono jama debi. Yours and what me come my bag. Adia no, would be here with jollof rice. Because I would ya, a bemana more jollof. Daddy.
Tasty.
Tasty dog.
Yeah.
And you be beer, dear. This is a treasure box.
Mama, I'm speechless.
You are speechless.
Yeah.
Wow.
My body do some. Wow!
Everything here is yours.
All this for me?
All this is for you. Intimidate.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not. I'm growing you. I'm not kidding you.
Wow!
So,
wow!
We're minerals and spices. Wow. Your T-shirt, any apron.
Wow!
You would yeah. I want your nice apron.
Okay.
Let me see April.
It becomes
Let me can say April. Let me can say fast and measure. Let me see apron. And Sana Royal Aroma Rice.
Wow.
Oh. And now me High Sense Chopper. And Sana Eddie. And the man Dawson.
Wow.
And the man Dawson. Tasty Tom. We no try him. You know, yeah, the high sense.
Mama, am I dreaming or what?
No, you are waking.
So all the things is going on. Is this true or real life? But I'm just here because I want to show. Mama, please, if I'm sleep, wake up me.
Wake up you.
Yeah.
Debbie, you are not sleep.
Wow.
I was your phone. I had no. Jollof now you're ready.
Yeah.
Wayoosi jollof no. Oh, why you? Oh, no, I'm not a dear tutu. Your chin come on the tutu. Ooh. Why you? A woman's vegetables won't be, but me and me pay jollof a salad count.
A count.
And I see him.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
And also between me, baby, I'm for because me did it. Aha.
I was a fire saka. Maybe I will be a so would by Rayachi jai. Na am a jollof Phoebe. There will be a jai. The only guy na woody jai. Teaser na woody jai. Fufu na woody jai.
Say by Rayachi, a dear in Jadi.
Nene. Sabre out of me.
Yeah.
You be did your love. You be with you. Jabaya did. Near need your love. Say, Cassia Bubo Sinis Wayena. Brave. Bebre. You didn't go work as a free Lord Kenya.
Yeah.
A chia no. Lord Kenya now did a chia now and dance.
Yeah.
I didn't chia to me a rapper Lord Kenya rapping now. Now singing one I do by singing. One I come. Okay, who enter you into the movie industry?
Now you are talking. Anna? It's a gentleman called Jackson Kibenchum.
Oh, okay.
He saw me when I was performing with Lokenya. And that man came to my house and begged me to shoot a movie.
Hey, beg you.
Yeah.
Jackson so dem contact pacho.
No. He begged me. And I said, man, don't you have a man in your house?
Don't you have a what?
A man in your house?
A man in your house
to shoot a movie?
About to know besides a member if you are interested.
What's the memory trust? I mean, Busan is a member in the view of trusting.
Oh, I don't know besides.
Sata wono na sinile sikani. Na de tetefo na yehu wo no unzo na mokro na se.
Nema.
Papa obo so kogu mani mu asade wo busuafo ni ho. Anya de metwese no so. Wayo. Sana je no de black star for ye mfato ho chem so. E bia enema ekura ni mu no na mo penso na bibia ti ma.
Tete footballers no. I come di wo mu no na ebisika 1 week to me project no.
Yeah. Di o convince me chai. Yeah, so I started following him.
Okay.
And then we shot a movie called Area.
So Area is the first
My
movie.
first movie.
I was the costumier on set.
Are you sure?
Oh.
And I met Kwame Uswansa,
Susie Williams.
May his soul rest in perfect peace. Susie Williams, Bob Santo.
Yes.
So
I was
much,
the
so
costumier.
many and so forth.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what?
So many. So forth.
It's Area no first movie.
That's my first movie.
Why you see match?
Actually.
Because Area me kai pa Jackson.
Right.
Me na me ye costume, me na me share montage. Na mo guy me wrong.
No.
Me ko am hu me dey also hu me.
What was my banshum? Many am to.
And the best me hu na me ka say we akwara.
Now the way me, because me.
Cha check.
If you see me, you will show me. Show me and go me. You didn't see me.
I didn't see you. I mean, if you are about the costume by. Over share.
Oh yeah.
Into the me hu. Itu frɛ we ye be kan dia. Why you be brave?
Na do matric we dodge papa na ebu mama say papa say froko ni.
Wow.
Is it the dozo?
Well, because also you musician. Onu na abon dia, wo di bosu anata dia, wo di utin fie.
Na me bo mama fans.
Obo ma fan.
On say in China. Me yari bia beto ho say Wayoosi ewu ni ade no. Nti me ya sada nyuma me de nyame ase.
Okay.
Ekonya me fa so me yare ye. Ene mfansane me ko so na me de ye anyum.
Nje gospel.
Me gospel.
Wa ye mo.
Me na ro X na ye ye.
Nje me mo.
Bo.
Me mo gospel no.
Na bo.
Ye bia ye be kan o yare no ho.
Mate.
Asem.
Mate.
Na say. Gospel ni ni.
Fa chane.
Volume, DJ mami volume.
Batu. Missy Batu.
Ana doing.
Narrow X. Batu. Missy Batu. Pamo bonimo, Batu wasida nyumara. Mumu empemo, Batu wasida nyumara. Papa mo bonimo, Batu wasida nyumara. No ye narrow S na, afina mbebem.
Afena baba.
Kideba, gengeba. Nam kwan so koye MC wo wedi bia 70 ya me ya. Me pepen kila binu mo ya still na anko sana asemberiba. Afa mi junso amoja. Boy, junso kami mpo na me bobi na bani so ye bisi basa. Babia edun dia jamana akasima. Ye bo mi shiti konfa noche sabre no bia nu wo kasa me. Kirani number bi. Adofo be ho be hwa me so humeti. ya mama oxygen atu mini minya mini mo ye de adofo ne de fure mu fire bo mama nto asira dom na me ho ye de ya bo me wuto Wayoosi awa Omo enkwemo metu asida nyumara Papa mo money mo metu asida nyumara Omo enkwemo metu asida
Mr. DJ, thank you. Wayo?
Ana.
No, Nero X abeto nyum ni bi.
Yeah.
Ba wo de na kama pa. O se na wonam kwa so koye
MC wo wedding bi anam ti se ti ye me pempe killer bi no mo ye still na anko se na asembe reba afem junso amuja boy junso coming po na me bobi na beni so ye bisi basa ba bia edu ndi ajama na akasima ye bomi hwi to konfo no che sabren
na da se yo nipa besra so
mi hunu hwe
o raimu
ana ye nyame adum
ebo hwi konfo anoche nipa atwa ho ahia so hu hwe chechirire woso de eden asedanyom nyame nhira Wayo na yade a wo yade ye nipa bo wa wuto no a wo ba nkwamu a enne me hu kura no mani agi abroso won efe kura chan kane no nti se wo to asedanyom ankasa nti nyumwe nkwa na waye
why baby
but say the current one asedanyom nyakopon so asedo because baby Wayoosi kodu there na je wo ankasa Wayo se senior adwuma ese aseyo
ampa o yanvanze
ekonko
o ye ho no besrae no ko besan ba
senior adwuma ne ho wo eno aba besrae inte so ko bo besan ba
ye ne ye o beba ne ya nye ne ye dia won sama
no baba
ya ana no betam iPhone ko ba bia so e director o cameraman no twesini
iPhone no the dressing what do you mean dressing but sniper dey and iPhone
and na mabola na door so system mu a nti adwuma na ekofo mo
anokra na waka no Wayo
so na ubeshi obi wo se me director na sabe wo dey fa ma no ni nyina mo ama adwuma no nkoso afi ye director si we team bi nti uni we ya fa story no ka obetimi atwapa ya mfa ma
Jenjai divisional travel
also mu ye professional duma mu ye professional work yeah
ni nyina account
bi na ego ni pono ntimi kura na enam so wo sa group no mtena wo se de ni twa
o so emfataro no kura ni
epenti no
ni de ne tare ho so by force
so
obetumi aye ti sa na mo ni nyina account
na ma adwuma no akofo
Wayoosi obi obeshi abonti bi afra Wayoosi bema na odin pa de say
Joseph Osai Kofi
Wayo odino Wayo na be kata with Joseph Osai Kofi ni so
Master Richard no
Master Richard na to Wayoosi
e was set no so
yes set no so and of course Wayoosi bra
sa edini yo Osai Wayo ana no dane no ye no Wayoosi
Wayo mami mi sa personal name akakra ukrom ne he
me frequent so me lakeside
yeah oh okay it's Kumasi Ashanti region ya
me pachone
na oye bia
yeah
aside sini no ye adwuma foforo bia na ana nyom to no
aside sini no am say wo ba bia opeso woni je me woni age opeso re ho a ma wo re so papa ba ma bia pa kama pa Wayoosi pa ewe bu akwa makro
ebu akwa ya
yeah
ho na atia na
me nti ho mo bu kro mo state me drive ko ba
oh that is nice it aside sini no wo pap
opeso woni je me woni age so re nso aho ma na ho mo pa
re to aho ba me na ho mo
yeah
Wayo Joseph me da se pa aduani de kasa ntima mo no ntima di bi na ni bibi ye wie McBrown's kitchen ye wie ye komodie. But before you go, I want you to give a word of advice to the viewers, especially the young people who are interested in acting. So please, this is your camera. But I'm the question because I want you to answer in English.
No problem. Well, viewers, this is your man, Bobo Wayoosi.
This is your man.
Man, Bobo Wayoosi. I have some small message for you. Don't do what I don't do. You know? I want you to drink more water. Less salt. Once I don't have a kidney, in a problem. And remember, baby, go be a duana so corner a duana no crow who had no. Nana, Osha, I never had the kidney problem, Bano. It's in the forno, or your hopa. You need them. Ukodaya no pa yesibra location. I do not find that just say once no enough time I saw the done. At least when you're gonna know 7 good hours. But we are 2-3 hours in your sorry koyaduma. Basana tem be near the pressure no. To
If I told you we but we are a kidney. Okay.
According to doctors, a year per 100 a 2% in survival.
And then I'm a boy, yeah.
Or the member cancer 2% now.
Into drink more water
and less salt.
and less salt.
Yeah.
And then
Stop eating meat, baby. And number baby and what?
number baby.
Now Johnson so count so no what Johnson na ko.
Neko.
Yeah.
And how body.
The be fine stone go and
It's not what?
yeah, it's not well. The team catch.
Actually. Obrofo asan. And the brofo ababe jagu kitchen ade asan pa. Abusiafo e dey bio na menka. And ya ye ni nyina. Ye ni nyina star bia bi. Ya no aduane no star bia bi. Ye di nkomo no star bia bi. And ye didi ankasa so star bia bi. But enemre be my kwan a ye no obedi ahiem. Me pa cho pi ma me fast da ma high says. My boy for everyday prices, for everyday people. Tasty Tom, good for you. Royal Aroma Rice. Ooh, and more. And one Royal Aroma Rice. Addition more Royal Aroma Rice. And some and the spices, Ubedi spices, are Minazin food spices. When you miss your social, but don't forget, say, and what dear, a nice omega-3 sunflower oil. Me pacho pi me da sepa, and then me once you say simple. Jiwa ewa asafo on the pam matade e ma me share jiwa o hwehwe no abehu no ewa asafo oben enkremofo asori dan no a the number is 0244 442775 and attach makeup artistry no sukuma se ya na duane papa ene say awogo aduane nipa dodo aduane de odi mu obi aya ye careful into hwehwe His Majesty Catering Service almost South Central so ombe wodi ane ama okama and La Palm Royal Beach Hotel and also the encline usi encline na pe bi aje wo home dia unya wura Ghana dia hotel ba ko La Palm Royal Beach Hotel me pop me billboard says encline ebi bebe Kumasi yi eya popai publicity for and eye che me kwa omu na ye billboard ne che me kwa me da se so share McBrown's kitchen na ma me didi na McBrown's kitchen you were YouTube into the went to me and share and I won't share be da and then they di kan ya ko ye bebre aduane awodo bebre o YouTube me pa cha obetumi ahwe bi na McBrown ha enema emre be ma me kwan my share na otwen send McBrown ye be real in making money why you nyame shira wate ya Ghana for e be dear Jollof brim
McBrown's kitchen again in pedo. McBrown's kitchen bring us so. McBrown's kitchen again in pedo. McBrown's kitchen bring us so. Yet to cano get it bow. So when you know no am I in here. Yet to cano get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen again in pedo. McBrown's kitchen